Seventh problem. If A, B, C are in GP and if A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z, then prove that x, y, z are in AP. Here clearly it's given A, B, C are in GP here. If A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z, then we have to prove this x, y, z are in AP. Now take this given things, A power 1 by x equal to B power 1 by y equal to C power 1 by z equal to k. We want to equate to some constant here. So we can equate individually now. So A power 1 by x equal to k, which is nothing but A equal to k power x, and then I want to equate these two. B power 1 by y equal to k, so B equal to k power y, and then C power 1 by z equal to k is nothing but C equal to k power z. Here in the problem it's given A, B, C is in GP. So that GP is nothing but B by A equal to C by B. If you cross multiply things, we can get B square equal to AC. So now we want to substitute all the values of A, B and C here. So here B is k power y and A is k power x and C is k power z. Here square term is there, so we put the square thing here. Okay, so in the left hand side now we have k power 2y equal to, on the right hand side we can add the powers. If the bases are same, we can add the power, so that k power x plus z. So that if the bases are same on both the sides, we can equate the powers, so that we have 2y equal to x plus z. The 2y can be split into y plus y here. So that is y plus y equal to x plus z. Now I want to order such things here like this. Y minus x equal to z minus y. So y minus x equal to z minus y, that is nothing but common difference is same here. Therefore x, y, z are in arithmetic progression. Eighth sum. The arithmetic mean of two numbers exceeds their GM by 10 and HM by 16. Find the numbers. That arithmetic AM is of two numbers exceeds their GM by 10 and HM by 16. We want to find the numbers. Okay, let the numbers be A and B. You want to take the numbers as A and B. For this arithmetic mean, we have the formula A equal to A plus B by 2. For this geometric mean, we have G equal to root of AB. For harmonic mean, we have H equal to 2AB by A plus B. Okay, so these are all the formulas already we have there. We are going to use these things here in this. So from this problem it's given that AM is exceeds GM by 10. So A exceeds GM by 10 is nothing but A minus G equal to 10. And HM by 16, that means A minus H equal to 16. So from this I can conclude G equal to A minus 10 and H equal to A minus 16. So now we have the formula for this arithmetic, G square equal to A square. So that G is already we have A minus 10 the whole square equal to A into H is A minus 16 here. So we can expand for this formula A square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can expand this, and here we want to multiply, remove the bracket. So a square minus 16a is here. Okay, and then group the a terms here. We can cancel this and this. So 20a, here we can take this as 4a here. So a equal to 25 now. Okay, that a formula for a is nothing but a plus b by 2 equal to 25. So if you cross multiply, we can have a plus b equal to 50. Keep this as equation 1. Now g equal to a minus n. This is also we have already there. So that a is 25. So substitute the value of a here, that is 25 minus 10, which is nothing but 15. So g equal to 15. So the formula for g is root ab equal to 15. I want to remove the square root. So squaring on both the sides, we have ab equal to 225. 15 square, that is nothing but 225. So b equal to 225 divided by a here. So I can substitute in the equation 1 here. That first equation is a plus b equal to 50, isn't it? So a is here and b is 225 by a equal to 50. Now we can take the LCM on the left hand side, so that it will become as a square plus 225 equal to 50a. Cross multiply these things, so that we have 50a. Now we form the quadratic equation like a square minus 50a plus 225 equal to 0. Now we can find the factors for this, that is a minus 45 into a minus 5 equal to 0. So that we have the value of a is 5 comma 45. Okay. Now I want to find the value of b. So if a is 5, so b is 225 by 5 is nothing but 45. If a is 45, b equal to 225 by 45, that is nothing but 5 here. So the numbers are 5 and 45. Okay.